Hi, my name is Billy Leong and welcome to this week's Global X Express Lane. And what a year it has been, and we're already in December. We've already seen the US new administration going through its first year. We've seen AI stocks go up, and with now AI stocks concerned with a bubble, and we've also seen now a Fed rate cut trajectory being challenged. But what about the near term? What are the key headlines investors should be focused on? In terms of positive headlines in the coming week, we believe it could come from tech. We are going to see Amazon's cloud business, the AWS, holding its re-event, which could talk about cloud outlook and also cloud spending, along with some US software companies reporting, such as Snowflake. In terms of both side risks, or yellow lights, we believe it could come from the global economies and the global, especially Asia central banks. We are going to see some Chinese data coming out, Australian GDP data, and obviously we are also going to see RBI, the India central bank, meeting as well. In terms of red lights, or what could grind markets to a halt, we believe it could be the Fed rate cut trajectory. We are going to get a few US macro numbers, which could actually pivot or deter any trajectory or any expectations for the US Fed rate cut in December. I hope you enjoyed our Global X Express Lane. If you have any feedback, please feel free to comment below. Thank you.